Recently we uploaded a video on this channel and even the channel is not monetized, still YouTube was showing ads on that video. And I guess that is same happening with this video as well. If yes, then let me know in the comments. Now, do you know the reason behind this? I guess no. Let me tell you why. So I was watching this video from Jason Lee where he mentioned that YouTube algorithm is pushing small channels.
So here's what's happening. Have you guys been seeing small channels being promoted on your YouTube home feed? In the past few weeks, I've been seeing very small channels, channels that are under 500 subscribers, 200 subscribers. They're all showing up in my home feed. And they're actually showing up right next to big creators with millions of subscribers.
And the reason behind that is YouTube is able to generate more revenue by pushing small channels out because they were able to show ads on those videos and they don't even have to pay the creator because the channel is still not monetized. So that's why YouTube algorithm is pushing small channel videos directly to homepage. Like all our videos get most views from YouTube browse features. You can see this screenshot where it says that our videos are getting around 77.8% from YouTube browse features, in which most of the videos we are getting are from YouTube home feed. And our channel is basically very new. It just started in September this year and we are not even focused on quality. We are just putting out. So it's not like we are investing heavily in our production. We are just shooting with an iPhone 15 and just a key light, the backlight, that's it. We are not using red cameras. We are not using Sony cameras. We are just posting content that we are able to make with all the gears that we have. And one day when I was scrolling YouTube, I noticed that a 3K subs channel video got 150K views and I wondered why, so I just clicked on that video. And when I watched that video was simple. It doesn't have great editing, it doesn't have anything. It had just B-rolls, voiceover, and the person is talking about his journey to get 1000 subscribers, and the video was 2 weeks old, I guess, and his channel still got 6K subscribers at that time. And this is the sign that YouTube is on easy mode. So if you are a small channel, then you should not be wasting any more time and you just start uploading content. Now let's talk about in business purpose. So if you're a business owner and you want to build authority among your audience and want to stand out from your competitors, then you should be posting on YouTube. And I'm not the person who's saying this. There are 7, 8, 9-figure business owners who are saying this. You can check different tweets from Serge Gatari, William Brown, Ravi Abuwala. Even you can see business owners like Iman Ghazi and others who are able to create mass audience with their content and they were able to make millions. And see, if you already have a YouTube channel but you are not posting consistently, then I'll suggest that only resolution that you need to make in 2025 is to upload at least one video a week on YouTube. Because I don't want you to get this opportunity out of hand like the way you left short form video wave. Or if you are a business owner who have a YouTube channel where you are uploading consistently but you are not getting enough engagement and you are putting a lot more efforts in production of the videos, then I'll highly suggest that you should automate your content creation process and management process, and that way you will be able to focus on your business side and you won't let your content creation become bottleneck in your business. And if you automate the process, then you'll get enough time to think on new ideas. You won't be copying others to create something. So you should not be thinking even for a second before uploading on social media or even on YouTube, because you are restricting yourself from reaching out to billions of people. You never know which video will go viral. You can predict, but you never know. So that's why you should keep posting content, keep building your personal brand. And this is the only way to stand out from the crowd. And why I'm saying this is because all these people are able to change their life from content creation. And now let's talk about why business owners need to create content on YouTube. See, in 2019 when short form content started going viral, then everyone shifted to short form content and they were able to reach out to a lot more people because at that time that was not very crowded and that was the golden time when you can grow. But right now you cannot grow on short form platform because it's very crowded. Everyone is creating content, everyone is doing the same thing. So it will take eventually a lot more time. But if you see every 7-figure entrepreneur, 8-figure entrepreneur, 9-figure entrepreneur, or even billionaires are creating videos on YouTube because they understand the power of long form videos. And when you make long form videos, you are able to build trust among your audience and it eventually becomes cult. You don't have to do anything. You just need to talk. You just need to give whatever you have, whatever you can provide for free. See how Matt Gray is able to make $13 million a year. And he even breaks that down. I was just reading his Instagram post today where he mentioned that he posts 3 reels, 1 long form, 1 newsletter, 10 tweets a week. That way he was able to leverage social media and YouTube. And if you are thinking why I'm saying social media and YouTube are two different things, then you should wait for my next video where I'll be discussing about what is difference between social media and YouTube. Every business owner is making content, and see, this is a small channel wave on YouTube and you should not miss this. This is the high time where you should be making content, where you should be posting content about your offer, about your journey, how you are helping your clients. And see, you don't need any crazy strategy. See Simon Script, he started interviewing people and he's also half a billion entrepreneur. So everyone making content on YouTube and they are killing it. You just need to follow what Ravi Abuwala is saying. Post 4 videos in which you are training people. You are making walkthrough videos, you are just uploading Loom video. Then post 2 videos which are about your lifestyle, or you just ranting about your life, your journey, whatever. And then 1 video about the mindset that you have. Or you can post 2 videos of mindset as well. So this is your monthly strategy. Try this for 3 months, 6 months. If it works, it's good. And I'm guaranteeing you that this will work. You don't need to think once before uploading. Just start uploading. And that's all you need to kill it in 2025 on YouTube. So all I have to say is just do it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.